Dear friend, do you crumble when you experience failure? Do setbacks and challenges put you down, shatter your confidence, and decimate your will to soldier on with life? The truth is, you will always face setbacks in life, like a failed relationship, health challenges, workplace challenges, natural disasters, daily disappointments. If you don't learn how to face them head-on, they can destroy your ability to focus, to be productive, and your close relationships. Similarly, you might start having low moods, anxiety, and even depression. All these negative side effects create more failure and disappointment, which creates a vicious cycle. Soon, your motivation to improve your life and achieve your dreams runs out. It becomes very difficult for you to envision a bright future, and you sink even further into defeat, depression, and despair. Honestly, it is not easy to bounce back from negative life experiences quickly and victoriously. But it is not impossible for you to handle the pressures of life successfully. Unfortunately, most of the common advice about building resilience and overcoming life's obstacles is not helpful. Often, friends and family will admonish you to just suck it up or be more resilient. Yet we all know that this advice is not complete. It leaves out the most crucial ingredient, the how. What you probably don't know is that there are little-known techniques and practices that can supercharge your ability to build resilience and a strong spirit. Luckily for you, they are extremely easy to master and apply. In fact, you can implement them now and start seeing your mental strength improve. Today, you'll learn how to increase your resilience and deal with every obstacle that life throws your way. For many years, I was just like you. Mistakes crippled me. Every setback felt like the end of my life. I spent so much time going over my past failures, and I felt like I was an irredeemable screw-up. I was stuck, anxious, and depressed. My career was going nowhere, my relationships were failing, and my health was poor. I had zero motivation, and I was slowly losing the will to live. One lucky day, I got tired of being shoved around by every little curveball that life threw my way. I decided to study the lives of people who had bounced back from terrible setbacks and gone on to be happy and successful. Additionally, I studied what philosophers and mental health experts had to say about surviving and thriving after a major setback or failure. When I started applying my newfound knowledge, my life turned around for the best. I was able to handle all of life's pressures and even use them to my advantage. Even when I messed up or faced rejection, I refused to see myself as a victim. My self-esteem and confidence skyrocketed. I revived my dying relationships and improved my health. I had a new zeal for life, and I was ready to face my future knowing that I could achieve all my dreams. Today, I want to share with you the discovery that changed my life. These secret principles and practices will teach you how to face life's challenges courageously. It's time for you to stop being beaten down by setbacks and start winning in life. Introducing Total Mental Resilience, How to Cope and Remain Unbeatable in the Face of Adversity. Total Mental Resilience is the ultimate guide for those who want to build their resilience and become unbeatable in the face of life's challenges. Most importantly, this blueprint will help you to deal with any obstacle that comes your way and emerge victorious. This research-backed guide will teach you everything you need to know about building a strong spirit and cope with adversity. Follow the steps taught in this powerful guide, and you'll start noticing changes immediately. If you are tired of being beaten down by every obstacle or challenge that life throws at you, if you want to take on life courageously, then you owe it to yourself and everyone around you to learn the simple but powerful steps taught in Total Mental Resilience. Here are some of the things that you will discover in this life-transforming program. The one fact about life and resilience that most people don't know. How to use adversity as a stepping stone to future success. 3 reasons why adversity is inevitable and how to come it. Why you should embrace challenges instead of avoiding them. 3 little-known facts about adversity and how you can use them to your advantage. 6 rich and famous people who were molded in the furnace of adversity and what you can learn from them. The surprising benefits of being strong in the face of life's obstacles. Why lack of resilience could literally cost you your life. How to exude confidence and tranquility, even in the worst situations. 6 dangers of withering under life's pressures and how to avoid them. How to build an unbreakable spirit that will help you take on life with courage. the quickest, easiest way to start seeing challenges as opportunities. Struggling to build your resilience? Avoid the common obstacles mentioned in Chapter 7. The little-known upward social comparison phenomenon that prevents you from being resilient. The one statement that you should never ever make in life. How to bounce back after a setback and build resilience, plus many more powerful practices and techniques. This is the ultimate guide for those who want to build a strong and resilient spirit, face all challenges with confidence, improve their mental health, go after their dreams, let go of their past failures, reduce stress and anxiety, increase their motivation, create strong relationships, feel proud of themselves. Here's the good news. Instead of charging this life-changing program at a ridiculous price, I am offering it to you at a tiny fraction of the actual cost. The reason behind this discount is because I want to help as many people like you to bounce back after facing adversity and build total mental resilience. More importantly, I want you to start being more resilient today. If you've read up to this page, you're serious about increasing your resilience and facing the future boldly. You're just a step away from being more resilient. All you have to do is to implement the secrets revealed in this blueprint for the next 30 days. And if you don't see any improvement in your life, simply return your order within 30 days and I will give you 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you get total mental resilience right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of total mental resilience. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Total Mental Resilience by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. Now that you know how total mental resilience can change your life for the best, you need to make a decision. You can either do nothing and continue being beaten down by life's obstacles forever. You'll never be able to live to your full potential and live your dream life. Or you can take the step that'll change your life instantly by taking advantage of our offer. You can't afford to miss it. As I've shown you, Total Mental Resilience will give you the skill set you need to build your resilience fast. Plus, if by 30 days you don't like what you get from Total Mental Resilience, send me an email and I'll return 100% of your money back, no questions asked. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by this offer. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.